roll that clip for y'all so y'all can see my car getting keyed. Alright, so the time has come. We are about to get this dirty mobile ready. That's what we got. I got my car keyed. As you can see right here, it goes all the way down. Scratched up over here. About to get this together. You're gonna see what's coming. I'm gonna roll that clip for y'all so y'all can see my car getting keyed. The process. Bro, look at this. Oh, look, I just f***ed it up. Ah, chaval, you beat, huh? I'm tight right now. This is a mess right here. Hey, no hammering! Fit check. Gotta get ready though. Curve. I don't have a thing to put on my hair because I thought this was a suit and I thought I had a hoodie. So we're gonna substitute it. Feel me? We're gonna take this down. Look. Wow. Damn, my hair's coming out on the front and the side. And the side. Yeah. Wow. Hold it. Right before you paint, you use this cheesecloth and pretty much just wipe the whole. Whoa, you see that? That's gonna be a problem. That's sweat.